What's cracking, like everybody, invALId from the future here. And the thing is that I was so hyped about this video that I didn't even took the intro or the outro of the video. So welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. So this time again we are bringing the hottest video challenge thing, but this time it's actually something really hot, not like my videos. So the video is super good. I'll definitely recommend you guys to watch till the end. Super fun. You guys will enjoy it and continue the video. Before guys we continue the video, you guys know it, make sure to go down below and shoot the like button and share the video with your friends. Continue.
Very nice.
Enjoy it.
Five.
Me, I don't try it before.
Enjoy it too much.
But
Ali pagal hai wallah.
Bring it back.
I don't even know how are you eating also. Can you explain what happened?
it's what happened. What's happening, man? When it's still happening. This was hard.
Okay, so I'll tell you something. In the last video, the corn video, he actually acted.
Yes, I did.
But I didn't act it.
I'm not acting.
No one is acting, I promise.
I don't know how to tell you how much it was hard. You can come to Buffalo Wings and try this.
It's not
Okay,
This is not
sorry.
sponsored.
Don't come to Buffalo Wings. Well,
So the thing
try
is,
the 1 billion. It's
the
so,
1 billion,
so,
the
so
billion, 1 billion is the hottest thing, okay? It's made with the actual hottest sauce in the world, not like my videos. So what?
not like home ingredients and red chili and
So what happened is I just took one bite of the 1 billion and I was like,
and I ate it complete. I ate 2 pieces complete.
yeah, you saw.
My stomach is like it will explode. I don't know. There is a feeling, and I'm still feeling the hotness in my mouth.
So it's so
my lips are burning to you.
that, and then I just ate only one other. It wasn't the hottest one, but it was pretty hot also. So I'm just dead. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please make sure to shoot the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video with your friends and everyone. Till the next time, I'm invALId with a capital L, and I'm signing off.